Yeah, g'day mate, I'm ringing about your Hilux. Just is it a diesel, that one?
No, which one are you calling about, the white one or the yellow one?
The yellow one, you got two up, have you?
Yeah.
Out of the two, which is the better one?
Well, the white one's really good, it has no rust in it. The yellow one looks really good, it's got a bit of rust in the bottom of the gutter on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
It's just in between the door level.
How much is the white one?
They're both the same price.
Both traybacks?
Yeah, the yellow one's got an aluminium tray and the white one's got a steel tray. A bit rough.
It's not that early, it's just dark at the moment. See what the weather looks like outside today. Today begins another project. For those in the know, the Peugeot is, well, I've currently taken a deposit for it. Fingers crossed it all goes through. It's a long tail. We'll be putting a video together about that. So basically it is done and dusted and sold, and for a good price. I'm happy with it. Today, new project, we're gonna head up to a place called Ningi to pick up a 1985 Toyota Hilux or pickup, 4x4. Been chasing one of these for a while. I actually wanted one slightly older, but they want too much money for them. A lot of rust in them. This is basically no rust and low kilometers. Jordan, a mate of mine, will be coming along in the jump seat to drive one of the vehicles back, my car or the ute. New car day is always exciting, but back in my mind, I'm always just that little bit stressed because I could have put an absolute piece of done. One vehicle permit, so I'll just keep that on me today in case we have any dramas. There's our first expense for the car. Toyota. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Yeah, so it's 3Y and it's a YN67, whatever that means. I joined every Hilux thing on Facebook. Here we go. Look what he's got out the back there, mate.
Is that your one over there?
Over there with the bonnet up. Freaking hell.
Car, yeah. Is this him here?
I don't know. I'm here to get the yellow Hilux.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that's right.
How you going, buddy?
You have to walk up there, sorry.
Okay.
I can bring it down here.
No, we'll walk up and have a look, mate.
Righto. Always that'd be fucking right, wouldn't it? I'll go get the
Jump it.
plates, yeah, sorry.
See, that's the rust he was talking about?
Fuck, don't know.
Yeah. There's probably going to be a little bit in the guard there, surely.
This is the common. Oh, fuck. There's nothing.
What do you reckon?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That looks, usually these are all munted up too.
Yeah. It's in good condition.
This is 3 years older than yours.
Is it?
Yeah, well yours is an 82, did you say?
Yeah.
This is an 85. So this is the next gen.
But this is the first of the next gen?
Yeah. 84 I think maybe they came out.
Same bar. Same rear bar.
It was a thing, mate.
Oh, God.
What's this bent here? That been bent? Hello, little one. How are you?
The rail's a bit bent.
Hey?
It's only here.
home finally. Wasn't too bad. The car was missing pretty bad when we took off. By the time I got home, it was driving fine. The sound's good, the motor sounds good. It's just ugly. Radiator needs replacing. It's all there, but I did find a problem. Not happy about. So we've got a little bit of rust coming in here. That's what he told me. All right, and again, that can be fixed. I just want to know where it's coming from to be in that position there. Dash is perfect. Okay, it's all original. They've replaced this. This at some point has been replaced. Door cards will need doing, like the Peugeot. These are all had it. But this is what I wasn't expecting. We lift up the floor vinyl and have a look at that. That's worse than the Peugeot's boot. This side, I reckon it's probably eaten through that once I scrape that back. The other side's worse. We'll look at that in a second. So I want to get that reupholstered. Just a clean in there. I thought I'd need it, but now I need to probably weld a new floor pan in. Underneath looks okay. It's just surface rust, most of that, I hope. I'm going to try and blast that back, treat it with some rust inhibitor, do the wheels, probably remove this ugly looking thing. They all tended to use them, and take it off. And the chassis rails are slightly bent up the top here because they've tried to tow something by the looks of it, and it's bent this, and as it's bent, it's pulled the two ends in just slightly. Nothing dramatic. This is where things get a bit ugly. Again, we got the rot up here. I thought that's all it was based on what he told me, and then look at this. Hello, floor.
This is basically no rust.
So we can see straight through that. I mean, it's still solid enough everywhere else, but that, and it goes right up under there. So it's been raining the last day or two, and rain's obviously gotten in the car because this is wet, and it obviously been doing that for years. That's why that's rusted. So I've got to work out where the rust is coming from. I've got to work out where the moisture is coming from. It's probably some blockage up here in the drains. New brake master cylinder by the looks of it at some distance, not too distant time ago. Why has that been snipped? The discoveries of the new project. So it begins. We're at it again. This one probably just as much, if not more work than the Peugeot. So there we go, the Ningi Nugget. Ningi Nugget. God help me.